Welcome everyone, this is Jason with your Blackboard tip of the week. This week's tip is on the respondus testing creation software. As you can see, I've already downloaded the software and have it open from my desktop. There are several options or several ways that you can create a test within respondus. One is to click on the create button to create an original test. Two, to click on the test bank network button, and that will look at the publisher's website to attempt to input or import their test bank, or import questions from a text file like a Word document. Let's take a look at the test bank. So by clicking next through the screens, it opens up the search page of the respondus software website rather, and you can search for in general by the major publishers listed that we know of. So I'm going to pick McGraw-Hill because that's one that I tend to know the most. And once I click on search, here's all my results. And by clicking on the link, it says more information and test bank request. I can request the test bank for communicating in groups, applications, and skills, 8th edition. Next, I can import questions from a Word file by clicking on Import Questions. And from the drop-down menu, I have a list of options I can choose from. From plain text, rich text, .doc, .docx. Now, one other option that I like really well is to be able to retrieve tests that are already in Blackboard in case I need to give a paper version to a student. By clicking on the Retrieval and Reports tab, and then Retrieve Questions tab on the left hand side, and then the Retrieve Questions button in the main window, the settings window opens up for me to connect to our Learn server, and I have to type in my username and password by clicking on Edit Settings. And once I have all that configured, I'll just click on Next. And then I'll click on Retrieve Questions again. And from the drop-down menu, I can choose from all the courses that either I'm an instructor or TA for. Okay. Once I select a course, I can either choose to pull down the exam, or the survey if it's a survey in the course, or a pool, question pool, and then give that set of questions a file name. If you want to learn more about how to use respondus, feel free to fill out the office visit request form on our blog at nl.tncc.edu/DDL. And this is your Blackboard tip of the week.